I am opening Spotify app in Android mobile. You are offline. Message is showing. When I try to browse music, it starts loading. Something went wrong. Check your internet connection and try again. Error occurs. Solution: if you are unable to use static IP, then check the IP address and gateway. Here I am using same address for IP and gateway, so change the IP address. Now load the Spotify app. Error will be fixed. Subscribe.